We're all gonna be good today. We're not gonna bite anybody. Let's do our mantra, okay? I will not bite. I will not kick.
Hey, there you are. You're such a good boy.
Sorry, he's sneaking up between your legs.
Oh my god, why did I jump? Hi.
Here, friend.
Whoa. She's like, when I went to check out, the lady behind me was like bitching, and she's like, it's not.
And they're like doing their own thing. You know what I mean?
Wow.
Dude, Danny. What do I do?